Good evening and welcome to the Anvil News Sports Update. I'm your host, Jordan Lee.
And I'm your co-host, Josh Kenworthy.
For the first time ever today, we go to Caleb Ritchie in our brand new traffic helicopter. Caleb, what do you have for us today?
Good evening, Anvil Island. This is the Anvil Island traffic helicopter, and I'm just taking a fly over the camp, see what traffic we got going on. Doesn't seem to be much. Kind of only the traffic. Well, watch out for the lifeguards. They tend to drive that gator pretty fast. But other than that, oh wait, looks like we got a high-speed deer pursuit going on. We're just gonna try and get a closer look.
Whoa! Oh. Nice of you to drop in, Caleb.
Mr. Lee, Mr. Kenworthy, another video call from Maddie.
Oh, okay. Well, speaking of traffic, it looks like Matt here is caught in traffic.
Hey Jordan, it's me. So I'm kind of stuck here in traffic and I missed my flight. So I won't be there. I can't for tomorrow. I'm still gonna get there. Don't worry about it. I'll find a way. I will swim across the Pacific Ocean if I have to.
You know what? Take your time. You're not really being missed at all.
Now we're gonna go to Aiden with the field report.
Thanks, Josh. I'm Aiden, your field reporter, and this is the lower field. In order to better express my feelings on the field, I have written you a haiku poem. I've titled it, The Lower Field of My Heart. Rolling hills, bell rings, water balloons fly, flagpole, frisbee golf ensues.
All right, great, Confucius. Thank you very much.
Well, that was the Anvil News Sports Update for this evening. Signing off.
Oh, sorry, I need a footrest.